Hey everyone, welcome to The Sound of Speed. Now we designed this channel around a core belief that there are millions of supercar fanatics all over the world, just like us, that are seeking out that I want it all super vehicle experience.
Let's go play.
Now what do I mean by that? We all want an affordable supercar with extraordinary performance that's adjustable so that we can take it to a road course, a drag strip, drive it back and forth to work every day if we'd like, and we want to take that vehicle and explore its limits across the wide range of driving venues that exist in our countries. The reality is that most of our subscribers will never attain that, and they're going to want to experience their dream through us at The Sound of Speed. We have a responsibility to deliver that, and that's what we're going to be about. But we're going to raise the bar a bit, the experience bar, by mixing it up with our car nut friends, our racing buddies, Team SOS, YouTube channel owners that we engage in some of these events with often and have some very unique angles on their own channels, and unforgettable characters that own and track their supercars from Germany, Italy, the UK, Sweden, Japan, America, and even some do-it-yourselfers that have built super light kit cars, Cobras, and so on. Now, every journey has to have a starting point, a reference point. For us, that's the 2020 C8 Corvette, as it evolves to become and remain the world-class benchmark for supercar performance value. Using our own C8 supercars and their predecessors, as they evolve, we're going to take you on this journey so you can experience with us the limits of these vehicles, and we're going to do it in real life settings. So you better hit that subscribe button right now so that you do not miss a millisecond of this journey, the experience, and the intrigue that we're going to bring you in our videos.
All right, off the bombs we go.
Wow.
Nothing like driving the silver Tahoe, quite the favorite of the Ohio State Highway Patrol.
We're one of them now. It's pretty good.
Yeah, I think we're a little bit faster. No offense to those guys, it's just we got the vet motor in this thing. I gotta think gives us a little advantage, you know?
Yeah, this is 6.2, right?
6'2". Go see friggin' SS Bob. Well, this is gonna be fun. This is gonna be fun. I ever tell you how he got his nickname SS?
No.
Good. I'm not gonna tell you now either. Just serious. We're getting there. This thing's sailing along like a dream.
Yeah, clearly.
On the way to CSS. All right.
Yes, I map quested where to go before.
They still have it?
Printed it off and everything. And I left it on the cabinet at home.
I've been doing too bad, huh?
No. Very nice. I'll be taking a right up here.
All right, we've made it.
I remember now. What do he's got in the garage?
I know he still got the cool car. Let's go see if it's here.
Still got that thing?
No, yeah. Right on. Let's go see what we can see. Oh, there we go.
Wow.
Hey, SOS. He's
SS
here.
Bob, what's up, man?
SS Bob. What you got here? It looks like a SS Camaro convertible.
Yeah.
These aren't too slow.
No, what's this, a 20? Yeah?
It looks
Wow.
like the car that was in an auto show.
This is like the exact car that was in it. I remember looking at it.
That's pretty
It
cool.
looks just like it.
Boy, can I talk a lot about that car.
You mind if I take a look inside? Yeah? All right. Phew. Still got the sticker. Wow. It's actually not bad at all. Holy crap. This is nice, man. How long you had this for? A week? You get a chance to push it yet, or what? Not yet. All right. We'll get a chance at it.
I'm sure you will.
Yeah. All right. Wow.
Gotta love V8 muscle, man. Good old American muscle. Still swear by it.
You remember that?
It's one of the coolest C5s in the world. Yeah, I do remember that car. But that's probably for another episode, isn't it?
No doubt.
Come on in, let's get started. Super excited to do this with you guys.
This is great. Thanks,
Yeah.
man.
Let's do it.
Heck yeah. Thank you, SS Bob, and your hospitality's awesome. What is the reason to do a YouTube channel right now? That's pretty simple. It's not about what we're going to show. A lot of it's because a lot of people don't show what I think is important, which is actually seeing these cars run wheel to wheel, comparing them, contrasting them. Now, I've been driving for quite some time, but I will make this disclaimer. I'm not the greatest driver in the world, nor would I claim to be. There's always somebody faster than you out there, and I think that if you get in the car with anybody that says they're the greatest driver in the world, run. You're better off taking public transportation. Now, the big difference that we're bringing this is we're real car guys. Real car guys with supercars on the fastest tracks around. It sounds like a recipe for something. I guess we're going to find out what that is. Some of these awesome cars are going to just blow your mind because we're going to put them in car versus car shootouts. We're going to have some competitive guest drivers. And this isn't going to be some pro running around the track doing one lap time and all of a sudden that's how you compare three cars. I think you compare three cars by putting three cars together with three good drivers, and let's see how much tires are left at the end of the day. That being said, thank you for joining us. It's going to be a heck of a ride. You're also going to get some awesome experiences that have happened behind the wheel. Matter of fact, when Bob and I got to know each other before he got the name SS, so we'll lead into that story because that's a pretty good one too. This is also a channel with three guys of different levels of experience. Brock is just getting going with this stuff, trying to learn everything he can. Bob's been running cars for a long time. He just wants to pick up a second here, or a half a second there, or whatever the case may be. And although the easiest thing for me to probably get faster would be a good diet, I do believe that I'll be able to chase some tenths around out there and really push these cars so that you're going to get the feeling from watching some of these videos as if you were sitting in the right seat with me or actually behind the wheel making some of these turns. There's a lot of good stuff coming. I can't wait to share it with you. And COVID-19 is giving us time to do it. So watch for more. And at this point, we're going to bring my son Brock right here, the better looking side of the family. Thank you for your time.
Thanks, Pops, for the compliment. Really appreciate it. I just wanted to walk really quickly with you folks through the expectations that you can have for our channel. One thing we'll be doing is pushing these vehicles to limits that we didn't even know they had, you didn't even know they had, no one really knew. And we'll also throw in a couple bloopers here and there so you can get to know us a little bit better and any of our awesome guests. We'll also give you all a chance to see these vehicles through your screen as if you're seeing them in person for the first time. You'll be behind the wheel, you'll be seeing every angle, outside, inside, you'll be seeing the engine, you'll be seeing as many angles as we can provide for you. You'll also see us exploring and testing the speed limit set by our guardian angel, and that's something that we always try to break, if not stay up with. Now, as a sneak preview, we have footage of our friend, Viral Speed, on the ride of his life with my dad in the right seat of a ZL1 1LE Camaro.
A lot of people, when they drive, they're looking 50 feet ahead of them, and when you're out doing this, you can't do that because, you know, as you probably heard in the driver's meeting, the sayings, if you're looking at the tree, you're going to hit the tree. If you're looking at the track, you'll stay on the track. You want to look where you want to go, not where you're going. Absolutely. So as you're looking at these corners, if you're looking straight ahead, you're going to panic a little bit. But if you're looking to where we want to go, you'll start feeling it. And
you know what? And I did too. When we was on the track back there, I took my eyes off the road for a split second, and I panicked so much.
Oh yeah, yeah. Things happen quick out here.
Boy.
So you just don't put yourself in that position.
Rule number one: never take your eyes off the track. There you go. I didn't wake up and expect this though.
As someone who sat both left and right seat with my dad in one of these race cars, I can thoroughly understand and sympathize with what our friend Viral Speed was going through in those moments. Very fun, yet terrifying moments. Now, I wanted to take you folks to check out our friends, 650 EB, 650IB, and Mike Willis as they take delivery of their brand new, beautiful C8 Corvettes.
Well, hey everybody, your good buddy 650 here, and this is a live stream from Tim Lally Chevy, and today is a magnificent day because I am finally collecting my 2020 Chevy C8 Corvette. This one is not mine, this is my good buddy Mike Willis's carbon matrix ceramic, beautiful color, C8 Corvette, but I have just about every option that he has. You can see he has the visible carbon fiber option, he's got the enhanced, oh, I'm touching his car. He's got the enhanced engine, all the stuff that I have on mine, and a beautiful, beautiful spec as they PDI this car and get it ready for him to take out of here. He's got the black Trident wheel and the red calipers, and I think it just looks amazing. With all the striping that he's done to the car as well, it looks absolutely stunning. He is one of the lucky people that got the exterior carbon fiber before the plant was shut down, or they had a disruption in the supply chain, and now that's no longer available. But here's my car right here. Still under wraps. I'm going to make a full YouTube video on this here today. We're going to unwrap it. It's going to be really epic and special. I have yellow calipers. I have the same wheels that Mike Willis has. These are the stock wheels that they ship with the car. They will come off when they'll put the black wheels on, but my spec has yellow seat belts, 3LT package, interior carbon fiber. It's really nice. Really nice. We're going to go into greater detail on this in just a second, but I love all the carbon fiber. I haven't been in here yet to play around with the car. I'm looking forward to doing that. But it's a magnificent day. I also got the transparent roof so that I can stick some sort of GoPro mount up there for camera work. But yeah, a lot of folks have been asking me, when are you getting your car? When are you getting your car? So I thought I'd make this live stream and tell you, finish working on Mike Willis's car before they can start on mine. But we will be ready to go here today. So look at all the space you have in the C8 Corvette. You can actually store the roof back here, which is pretty nice. And then you've got, of course, storage up front and what we would call the frunk. It's just an amazing car. I'm also getting these little hooky things too. Mine's going to be yellow, which I think will look really nice. Hey, there's the man himself. Hello. Beautiful spec, Mike. Beautiful spec.
Thank you. Thank you.
And so just so the audience knows, you recently traded in a ZR1, that beautiful yellow manual transmission ZR1. I got to drive that. That's a hell of a car.
With 56,000 miles.
So you actually drove it. You didn't sit somewhere.
No, I track it, and I would run as close as I could to Mike Lally's bumper at out at Nelson
Ledges. Yeah. Mike's a beast at Nelson Ledges.
He is. I could make a lap and a half, and then I'd make one mistake, and he's gone. Yep.
I went driving with Mike, and I needed a barf bag because he was just vicious out there on the track. So that's a. Yeah.
You'll have to come to us. We rented the National Corvette Museum Raceway.
Oh, NCM, yeah.
September 30th and October 1st, and we're going to be running down there.
I'll be there.
All right.
Congratulations, Mike. Beautiful
All right,
spec,
thanks.
man.
Same to you.
Thank you. Really nice guy, that Mike Willis. His car is amazing. I mean, this is one of the best. This is the best looking C8 that I've seen so far. The way that it is jazzed up and really looks nice. So once these kind gentlemen are done hooking his car up, they will get started on mine. They're getting his car all set up. Let's take a look at Mike Willis's window sticker.
Oh.
Yeah, let's see. There you go. What's the total price? Oh, there's a total price. $96,000. $96,000. Oh, look at the carbon fiber roof. So there you can see the differences between me and Mike. He got carbon fiber roof. I got the transparent roof. Again, Mike's car came with those same wheels that are on mine right now. Let's just call them the shipping wheels. And then the guys here took that filth off and put on the black Trident wheels, which they may or may not have time to do that for me today. If they don't, no big deal. I just want to get out there and put my 500 break-in miles on the vehicle. That's my mission for today.
Are these the only two that's here today?
These are the only two, yeah. These are the only two that they got so far. They both came in yesterday.
God, those cars are beautiful, aren't they? They really are. Coming soon to Sound of Speed, we'll have a preview and an all-inclusive look at the 2019 Copo Camaro, the ultra-rare, not even street-legal drag machine. It's going to be awesome, folks.
Thanks, B-Rock, for bringing up the Copo. It certainly will be an exciting reveal to share with our audience. It's amazing to think that General Motors built an 8-second quarter-mile machine that you can just buy from the showroom, take it to the track, and have a blast with it, run after run. Now, the C8 Corvette is obviously our reference point for this channel. We've been baselining this one against the C7 2019 Grand Sport, which we believe is the perfect track car. Perfect power, perfect balance, perfect manners, perfect everything. We've done that at Nelson Ledges, so we'll be sharing those results with you. We also plan on having a driving school at Nelson Ledges at some point this year once the COVID crisis clears. And then we're going to be attending a private event at Pitt sometime during the year where Supercars will be on the menu. And we hope to baseline our C8 against that distinguished global crowd. And maybe we can upset the world order a little bit. So please subscribe now. Don't miss a millisecond of what we have to bring you. And remember to drive as fast as your guardian angel can fly, because these cars have attitude, and attitude was meant to be driven. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.